Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to use filters during Facebook Live. Now I'll show you how you can do that. So first of all, if I go to just open the Facebook application and go on to what's on your mind, and you will see the option called live video. So just click on live video, and that will ask you to access your camera. Like I'm just allowing the permission. So first of all, once everything is done, so as you can see my camera as well, and as you can see, there's an option to go live. Now there is no filter option right now because Facebook has officially removed the filters option from the Facebook currently. If or you are on the iPhone, so there's no option that you can use filters. But if you are, however, on the let's say Android, you can just try to download an older version of the Facebook, and that option might still give you to use filters on your Facebook Live. So that's a simple and easy process. The official update is that you cannot use Facebook Live filters during live. So that's all about how you can do it or not.